Hello student, this is Master Golton. We are going to learn how to make banana muffin, a blueberry muffin, and this is the one that we're going to make. How do you say it in Indonesia? Mungkin kue mangkok ya. Alright, so this is banana bread muffin, and the ingredients are, the first one is banana. Okay, we need to have 4 ripe banana. Kita memerlukan 4 pisang yang matang ya, pisang Ambon, 4 of them. And then also we need to have a brown sugar. Brown sugar is about 175 grams. Okay, the next one is baking soda. This is baking soda. Okay, like this one, baking soda. We need baking soda about 15 grams. Okay, and then also we need 4 eggs. 4 eggs, and then also we need 250 grams or cc, 250 cc's olive oil. We don't need margarine. Kita tidak pakai mentega atau margarine, but we need only olive oil. And then we need white flours. Tepung putih diperlukan 325 gram, 325 grams. And then we need also oatmeal. Apa sih dalam bahasa Indonesianya oatmeal ini? Sepertinya havermout ya dalam bahasa Belanda. Saya tidak tahu apa ini dalam bahasa Indonesia, but this is oatmeal. Okay, this is very healthy for your jantung. Okay, and then we also need vanilla, 1 sack of vanilla. Okay, and then also we need salt. Okay, we need salt, about 1/4 sendok teh, ya, 1/4 of teaspoon. And then also we need blueberry, karena ini namanya blueberry muffin. Jadi blueberry ini warnanya biru. Nanti kalau sudah masuk di roti dia jadi bagus sekali, warnanya jadi bagus. Alright, so these are all of the ingredients to make banana blueberry muffin. Ya, okay. These are the ingredients. Inilah bahan-bahannya. Dari mulai pisang, bahan utamanya adalah pisang Ambon yang sudah matang, kemudian diulangi lagi brown sugar. Apa di Jakarta brown sugar itu apa? Gula yang brown. And then eggs, and then tepung terigu atau white flours, and then this one oatmeal atau havermout, dan juga buahnya blueberry. Nanti kita lanjutkan bagaimana cara membuatnya, dan yang diperlukan adalah we need to have only forks, ya, forks, dan ini wadahnya untuk mengkocok nantinya. Alright, so that's the beginning of the process of making blueberry muffin. Okay, number 1, you take the banana, peel the banana, kuliti itunya pisangnya. This is the peel. This is the banana. Put it inside and break them up in pieces. And that's banana number 1, and then banana number 2, and then all the way through banana number 4. Okay, so you need 4 bananas and put it inside of the bowl. Ini bowl ya, wadahnya. And smash the banana with the forks ya. Jadi hancurkan pisangnya dengan pakai garpu ya. Smash it all the way all of them, and then you crack 4 eggs. Pecahkan telur, crack itu bahasa Inggrisnya, pecahkan telurnya. Okay, crack the eggs, 4 of them. Okay, that's number 3, and then number 4. Okay, so you smash the banana and the egg together until it's smooth. Okay, after you smash the banana and then you put the eggs in there, you smash them. Now it's time for you to add the olive oil. Sekarang tambahkan olive oil setelah pisang dan telurnya dicampur ya. Sekarang kocok terus, dan kemudian tambahkan and then put the brown sugar. So this is the brown sugar. Mix them, campurkan, kocok ya, mix, campurkan, and then you put the baking soda. Sekarang masukkan baking soda, ini baking soda ya, mix baking soda. And then also you put the vanilla. This is vanilla. Okay, add vanilla. And then also you put the salt. Pour the salt. Mix it until it well blend ya. Kocok terus sampai dia merata. Okay. It's about, coba kocok dia about 1 minute, karena kita tidak pakai blender atau mixer ya. We just use only fork. Ini garpu. Okay. Setelah semuanya tercampur, sudah hampir tercampur ya. Baru sekarang masukin tepung and put white flour. Tepung dalam bahasa Inggris adalah flour, F-L-O-U-R ya. Pelan-pelan masukin, kocok, mix it well ya. Terus kocok sampai tidak kelihatan tepungnya, until you don't see the flour. Nanti kamu, Devinka and Aulia, bisa membuat video untuk bikin blueberry muffin dalam bahasa Inggris ya. I hope you can do that. Okay, ini membuat kue, belajar bahasa Inggris sekalian belajar membuat kue sekalian belajar bahasa Inggris. Okay, we have already put the ingredients. Kita sudah bikin ingredients-nya, bahan-bahannya. Dalam bahasa Inggris bahan-bahan adalah ingredients, ingredient, bahan. Tapi kalau lebih dari satu pakai S ya, ingredients. Oke, ini kelihatannya sudah hampir bisa. Oke, sekarang kita akan masukkan secara perlahan-lahan oatmeal. Dalam bahasa Indonesia mungkin itu bahasa Belanda havermout ya. Ini coba lihat ini, dia seperti digepeng-gepengin ya. Ini kita masukin pelan-pelan ya, dan itu dikocok dulu sampai dia meresap, and we blend it until it's absorbed, sampai dia mengabsorb ya, itu masuk ke dalam havermoutnya or oatmeal. Oke, tambah lagi. Oke, and then mix it well. put some more and then mix it well. Okay. Hampir, almost. Okay. So maybe about a couple more minutes. Okay. Kayaknya sudah agak sedikit tercampur ya. I think it's already well mixed. Okay, now you can pour itu tuangkan ini blueberry. This is blueberry here. This is very sweet. Ya, ini blueberry-nya very sweet. Okay, put all of them. And then mix it. Okay, I mix it already. Looks like this is ready to go to put into the molding ya, untuk bikin muffinnya. I have already prepared the pan ya, itu tempat tuangannya, pan, PAN. Okay. Alright, I have already prepared the pan. Actually, the muffin would be like this later on. So this is the muffin when it's done. Okay, I did this last week. Ini yang sudah matang yang saya bikin minggu lalu. Sekarang kita bikin yang baru. Alright. So what I'm going to do, yang saya akan bikin sekarang, menuangkan adonan tadi, the one that I mix for the banana bread, and then I will put it one scoop at a time. Look at this one here. One scoop, satu ini ya. This is enough because it will raise later on. Dia akan naik nantinya, dia akan mengembang. Okay, so I need 12 of them. One of these I can make 6, one pan. Saya bisa bikin 6, satu loyangnya ya. Okay, dan seterusnya. Okay, I did 6 of them, and then I would like to make another 6. Okay, let's get another one. 6 in here. Put 1 scoop in here. Okay. And then another scoop. Another scoop in here. Another scoop in here. Scoop in here. You can see the blueberry there. Okay, the blueberry is very sweet. Okay. Okay, so I've got 12 of them already. Saya ada 12 there, 12. And then when it's done, when it's cooked, it's gonna rise. Dia akan mengembang ke atas. Okay, I'm going to bake it, and then I will bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 21 minutes. Saya akan masukin di oven, ya, convection oven dengan panas suhunya 350 Fahrenheit derajat selama 21 menit. Itu supaya bake ya. Okay, I am going to put it into the microwave oven with 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 21 minutes. Saya masukin sekarang, and then I start to bake it. Start. Okay, let's see it now. It's already 10 minutes. Let's see how high it's raised. Look at that. It's raised already. Okay, so 10 more minutes, this will be done. Okay, I think it's done. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, let me get it out. Okay, look at that. It's so beautiful. All right, it's cooked, sudah matang. Yeah, I know this is smaller than the other because I put more in here. Ini dia blueberry muffinnya. Coba lihat ini dia blueberry-nya ya. Blueberry itu dia. Okay, so I've got 6 in here. Saya ada 6 blueberry muffin. Bahasa Indonesianya muffin saya kurang tahu. Anggap saja nama bahasa Indonesianya adalah muffin. Nah, sekarang yang kedua ini saya akan masukin lagi. Ini akan di bake ya. Dan seterusnya kita akan menikmati ini sebentar lagi, tinggal tunggu dingin dulu ya. Okay, I'm going to put the second one. Ini yang kedua. Ya, blueberry muffin, the second batch. Ya, yang kedua, adonan kedua, second batch ya. BATCH. Alright, put it there. And then close the oven. And then start the oven. There you go. And then it will cook for about 21 minutes dengan suhu derajat with the heat temperature 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's baking. Okay, I'm going to put it into the container. Like that. Number 2, and then number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Alright, Devinka, Aulia, and all my students in Indonesia, especially in Lampung, this is how I bake my blueberry muffin. Okay, someday we can do this in Lampung too. Alright, I will talk to you later in the next class. That's it for today.